G'day legends, happy bowler and welcome to Penrith Bowling Club. We're here for the last round of the Nepean Highlands 1 grade pennant, which is between Bargo and the Patriots. This is a battle for second spot, these two sides. Second, third should be a great game, live stream game. We've got Harley McDonald's side for the Bush Rangers taking on the Patriots side of Trent Winningham, so that's going to be an absolute humdinger. The green, have a go at it. It is true. Have a go at this. They're just having a roll up. They're just turned up. They're just having a roll up. Have a look at the venue here. So we've got the walkway. Great looking venue here at the Riff. Nice big walkway. We're set up, ready to rock and roll. We've got Sideshow Benny sitting over there getting stuff organised. 3 greens. Let's bring on game time. Good job.